Welcome to Apple. Welcome to Apple. Hi, I'm Tim.
She should be here any minute.
How is the weather coming in? Hi, I'm Tim.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the offices already carbon neutral thing, right?
I hope we didn't keep you waiting.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
Mother Nature.
Mother Nature.
His dress look like them dirty. Oh my gosh, look at the lips. Look at the. Oh my God.
Welcome to Apple. How is the weather getting in?
Legalize nuclear bombs.
The weather was however I wanted it to be. Let's cut to the chase.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
As you can see, we've innovated and retooled almost every part of our process to reduce our impact on the planet. But there's still a lot more work to do.
And there's something else we wanted to share with you.
You're not trying to bribe Mother Nature with Apple swag.
It's Apple's very first carbon neutral product.